Hi, welcome to our channel NK Learning. Today we are going to learn 3ds Max Bones animation tutorial. Let's start. Go to create and going to system. This bones. Select bones. Make a bones. This is a bones. How to over bones. First select the color. See how the bones works. Use have options. First one selected. See the bones work. Make a this function or edges joineries. Only is the function of joineries. See, this is a bones. Bones function was most useful for animation and character animation usage. It is the move. See the bones function. See, this is the bones functions. Okay, now make a bone. And going to bones animation. Make a two bones like this is the hand concept. We are now going to hand function animation. See, bones are only function on joineries. This is most important for animation purpose and character animations. Most useful for character animations and rigging animation. Okay, now start the hand function. Like a hand animation. Let's start. Make your one cylinder. Make a skin. Bones are ready. Now make a skin. This is a skin. You can to increase the segment. Height segment you can to increase it to 200 for smooth. Bone make it to center. Now go to modifier select the bone. Now rotate. Bones are not merged in skin. Now going to modifier, select the cylinder, go to skin. You apply the skin. This is the skin parameters. Go to bones, add. You have 2 bones, you have 3 bones. You select the 2 1. First and second. This is the first bone. This is the second bone. Okay. Now see, select the second one bone. Just move. The entire skin now moving. The skin is moving. See the rotation. See, like for arm. You have a smoothness. Already height segment, make it 200. You reduce the segment. See the output. The edges are not connecting. That's why make a 200 segment. Okay, skin are ready. Bones are ready. See, skin and bone all is ready. See the edge point, select and rotate the entire hand or rotation. Now start a animation. Select the bone, go to auto key, shift key for 0 frame, move to 20, make it 20, rotate, I think 70, make it -70. Again set key, go to 40 frames, reduce the 70, again set key, go to 60, -70, set key, go to 80 frame, reduce the go, set key, again go to 100 frame, -70, press set key. Okay, entire complete. See how is working. Play. Yeah, hand functions running. This is the bone animation, bone and skin animation, like a hand. You have the entire rotation. You need select the second one bone, select the second one, auto key, set key 0, go to 100, make a rotate. See the first one, select the entire object or rotation. This is the first one bone, set key. See, see the interior, the bone function. function are running. The skin or bone are connecting. This is bone function and bone animation to use for your animation usage. For easy way to bone animation and skin animation, for using character animation, most used for character animation for bones. Thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.